I'm going to show you how to add favorites on Binance. So if you want to add certain coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other coin as a favorite, first thing you want to do is go to the markets, and then you want to search for the coin. So for example, I'm going to search for USDT. Now all you need to do is simply click on the coin. So for example, USDT here, and you should find a star button on the top right. You simply want to click on the star button to add it to your favorites. Now to view your favorites, you want to go back, and you can go back to the home page here, and then go back to markets and switch to the favorites tab from the top here under the search bar, and you should find all your coins that you've added to your favorites list from the holdings and the spot. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.